Hands behind your back.
Oh, come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll
do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there.
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up. Pay attention.
In the back. Come on.
He's gonna kill us.
Hurry.
Leave us alone. We didn't do shit to you.
All set! Phone it in!
All right, we gonna do this? Huh? Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady. You didn't have to do that.
Let's get going! There'll be time for grieving later!
Yeah, you got that right.
Move!
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens.
Fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch.
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is! Come on, go!
Come on, guys!
They answered the wrong call!
We bring it to them.
What the fuck is this?
Get out of the way!
I ain't laying down for them.
Get down!
Back the fuck down!
Let's get out of here.
Can't be many more cops in this town!
Bring 'em! This is fucked, man. The thing is flawed.
I got my share! It's still wide open! Move! Come on!
You might have failed. This wasn't in the job description. Let's go. Get to the car. Let's move. Come on.
Every man for himself. What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there.
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it.
Mike?
I say there's a chopper, there's a chopper. We stick to the plan, we're home free.
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet.
Shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!